Introducing Mid-Atlantic's SNE. Engineered for flexibility, allowing the SNE series to be compatible in audiovisual, data, security, and broadcast applications. It's designed to maximize space and accommodate high-density cabling with features like lever lock, a toolless solution for small component mounting that doesn't take up valuable rack space and allows for quick and easy servicing. Lever lock also allows for equipment and cabling to be mounted to the side to allow for proper front-to-rear thermal management. Zero U panels that leverage the side channel to mount any patch panel or other connectivity devices, and our sleek flush side panels mean no added width, and the racks can be gangable with or without the side panels. Optional accessible side cable chase allows for extra room for cabling. The SNE also includes valuable security features like doors, which can accommodate any industry standard electronic locks, sectioned side panels that allow for selective access while still promoting appropriate airflow. This rack has been tested and certified to meet or exceed industry standards. It's UL listed for 3,000 pounds and has an optional base that meets seismic requirements. All of these features have been historically offered across multiple solutions for specific applications and now can be found in one Mid-Atlantic's SNE.